Everyone, I am Mohan Purnachandra and today I'm very excited to share my new project, video YouTube video agent. With this project, you can chat with any LLM about any YouTube video. You just give it the URL and you can chat anything about anything you want. For example, this is very useful in cases where see, for example, there's a podcast which is 1 hour long and I don't want to watch it, but I want to know what's in it. So, what I do is just copy paste the URL. Oh, and wait a minute, this URL is from my playlist, so this might not work actually. We just need the URL till here. So, I'll just remove this part and search again, and I get the same video. This is the normal URL, and I'll copy this and I have it here. I want to understand this video better. So what I do is I run my project, and before running that I'm using Olama to do this. So I need to have my Olama installed and it should be running in the background with the Llama 3.2 module installed in it. So now I run my code and it asks me to prompt the YouTube URL. I paste it and now a transcript is generated of this video and it is stored inside a PDF file. You can see here 3 new files were created and this is the transcript file PDF, and RAG is performed on this. And when RAG is performed on this PDF, all the letters in this, all the words gets converted into chunks and then converted into and stored in the vector database. So now if I just ask it, what does this entire podcast what does this entire podcast talk about? So now I send it a query. This query is also converted into embeddings and stored in the vector database, and a similarity search is performed, and the LLM is running in the background trying to get the closest results from the transcript PDF for this query. So this usually takes some time, like half a minute to a minute, to generate the text. And we know that, and yeah, here we have it. See, this refers that this is talking about quantum computing, machine learning, data science, and education. It discusses the basics of quantum computing, importance of understanding quantum computing, the role of malleability in data science, and the speaker's experience as a researcher and educator. So this just gave me the entire summary. What are the 1% skills which is mentioned in this video? So now I exactly ask this what is asked here. The 1% skill AI can't replace. And instead of watching the entire video to get that, I can just ask it to my local LLM. All the queries are local, nothing is going to the cloud. You can do this offline, and it's very simple. So here we have the answer. The text doesn't explicitly mention that what the 1% skills are. However, it does discuss the importance of developing emotional intelligence, empathy, and other non-rational skills as people's rational intelligence becomes more replicable. This is exactly what is told in this video. I have watched this video several times, and this is exactly what it tells. And instead of watching that video, if I didn't have time, I could have easily done this. So this is the entire project. So that's it. You can ask this, you can again ask this based on the previous question, and Llama 3.2 is very capable of answering these questions. It has a lot of token capacity, and these are the files with which I created this. this this file makes the transcript of PDF, taking the subtitles and generating its transcript. And this is a RAG file. I'll just give you a quick overview of what RAG is. RAG is like you take a external document and you want to answer based on that document so that the model doesn't hallucinate. So I take a document, I break it break it into chunks, and I do an embedding of it and then vectorize it and store it in the vector database. Same procedure is done with the user query. Here chunking is not required as the query is generally small, and it is then retrieved using the LLM, and all of this response is based on this transcript or PDF file. I hope this project really excites you and is available in GitHub. You can check it out. I have given all the requirements to download, and you can just run this ypagent.py, and here's the demo. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope that this helps you.